Good morning to one and all. In this session, I am going to explain the Laplace transform of periodic functions and also unit step functions. First of all, I am going to explain what is meant by periodic function. A function f of t is said to be a periodic function of period t greater than 0 if f of t plus nt equal to f of t, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, dash dash. That means if a function f satisfies this condition, then f is periodic function with period capital T. For example, sin t and cos t are two periodic functions with period 2 pi because sin t satisfying this condition, cos t satisfying this condition. Observe here, in the place of t we have 2 pi. That's why sin t and cos t are periodic functions with period 2 pi. Now I am going to prove one theorem. By using this equation, we can find out Laplace transform of periodic functions. The statement of the theorem is as follows. If f of t is a periodic function of period t, then L of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus st integration 0 to t e power minus st f of t dt. The proof of the theorem is as follows. Here also I am using the definition of Laplace transform. That is, L of f of t equal to integration 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Now I am changing t as u. That means t equal to u. Whenever t equal to u, dt equal to du. The limits also does not changes. Now I am going to split the integration 0 to infinity as 0 to t, t to 2t, 2t to 3t, so on. Observe here, the value of upper limit is 1 time less than the value of lower limit. That's why in general I am going to write the limit integration nt to n plus 1 to t. The remaining integration as it is. This is summation form. Now I am going to solve this integration by using substitution method. Put u equal to t plus nt. Then du equal to dt because this is totally constant. If u equal to nt, that means lower limit of u, substitute here nt equal to t plus nt. Then I am going to get this equation. nt get cancelled, then t equal to 0. If u equal to n plus 1 into t, that means upper limit, then substitute t plus nt equal to n plus 1 into t. Multiply nt plus t. Cancel nt and nt, then we are going to get t equal to capital T. That means the lower limit of t is 0, upper limit of small t is capital T. Further, f of u equal to, u means t plus n into capital T. Substitute u value, but t is a periodic function, f of t plus nt equal to f of t only. Substitute all values, then the Laplace transform of f of t equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity integration t equal to 0 to t e power minus s of t plus nt into f of t dt. Now I am going to write down the term which does not contain small t outside the integration. The term which does not contain small t means e power minus sn into t. That's why I am going to write this term outside the integration. I am writing remaining terms inside the integration only. But summation n equal to 0 to infinity e power minus sn into capital T can be written as summation n equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st whole power n. Now I am going to substitute n equal to 0, then I am going to get first term, n equal to 1, then I am going to get second term, n equal to 2, I am going to get next term. Likewise, I am going to get each term of this series. Observe that this is a geometric series with common ratio e power minus st. We know that the sum of infinite terms in the geometric series is 1 by 1 minus r. Here r is e power minus st. So, the value of this summation is 1 by 1 minus e power minus st. Now, use 3 in 2, that means here, then we are going to get Laplace transform of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus st integration 0 to capital T e power minus st f of t into dt. By using this formula, I am going to find out Laplace transform of periodic functions. Example 1, f of t equal to t square. Here 0 less than t less than 2 and f of t plus 2 equal to f of t for t greater than 2. Observe this equation, then we can easily say that f is a periodic function with period 2. Now I am going to find out Laplace transform of this function. From the data, f of t is a periodic function of period 2. Therefore, capital T equal to 2. This is the formula which we just proved. By using this formula, I am replacing capital T with 2 and also f of t by t square. Then I am going to get this equation. Now I am going to use Bernoulli's to evaluate this integration. Observe t square as first function, e power minus st as second function. First function as it is, second function integration. Here in Bernoulli we are going to use alternative plus and minus sign. That means for the first term if I am using plus sign, next term is minus, next plus, next minus, like that. So first term as it is, second term differentiation minus, I already explained the differentiation of t square is 2t. Now I want to integrate this term once again, but before integration I am taking the term which does not contain t outside, that is minus 1 by s outside. Again I am going to integrate this numerator, then I am going to get this term, that is e power minus st by minus s. So next plus sign, here you can observe 2 is there, 2 as t is. Again differentiation of t is 1 only. Here the term which does not containing t as minus into minus is plus 1 by s square. So that's why I am keeping 1 by s square outside the integration of e power minus st. This term is the integration of e power minus st. Next term does not comes. Why means because the differentiation of 1 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. That's why I am going to stop Bernoulli's here only. So now I am going to substitute limits 0 to 2. So first of all, before going to substitute the limits, I am going to simplify this step. The simplification of this step is like this. That means I am taking the term t terms one side without t terms one side. So here minus 1 by s as it is, upper limit 2 square is 4, 4 into e power minus 2s, lower limit is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. Again this term as it is, upper limit 2 into e power minus 2s, lower limit is 0 into anything is 0, minus 2 into 1 by s cube as it is, upper limit e power minus 2s, lower limit minus e power 0 is 1 only. Again simplification, then I am going to get this step. Observe here, I am taking 2 as common. So 2 comes outside, remaining term as it is, and also observe here I am taking s cube as constant because this term does not contain s cube. That's why I am writing s square here, s here, s cube outside. That's why only e power minus 2s. Also 2 is outside plus 1. So the simplification of this term again, 1 is outside, e power minus 2s is common in these 3 terms. That's why I am taking minus e power minus 2s common. I am writing in brackets the remaining terms, that is 2s square minus 2s minus 1. Next one, example 2. Given f of t equal to e in the range 0 less than t less than a by 2 minus e in the range a by 2 less than t less than a, where f of t plus a equal to f of t. Now I am going to show that Laplace transform of f of t equal to e by s into tan h of as by 4. Observe this equation. From this equation we can easily find out the period of f of t is a, that is capital T equal to a. This is the formula. In this formula I am going to substitute capital T as a, then we are going to get this value. Here I am going to splitting the integration 0 to a into 0 to a by 2 and a by 2 to a, because we know the values of f of t in these ranges. Now I am going to substitute the values of f of t in the given range. So here e, here minus e. Observe e is a independent of t, so I am taking t outside. 0 to a by 2 e power minus st dt plus into minus is minus integration a by 2 to a e power minus st dt. Now I am doing integration. E power minus st integration is e power minus st by minus s. And also I am going to substitute limits. So observe here minus s is there, here minus s is there. That's why I am going to take s common. This minus sign I am writing as it is e power minus st 0 to a by 2 minus into minus is plus e power minus st a by 2 to a. Now I am going to substitute upper limit in the place of t. So e power minus as by 2, lower limit e power 0 is 1 plus upper limit e power minus as minus lower limit e power minus as by 2. So observe here minus e power minus as by 2 minus e power minus as by 2. That means we have this type of terms 2. That's why minus 2 into e power minus as by 2. Next minus into minus is plus this e power minus as it is. This term can be written as 1 minus e power minus as by 2 whole square. That means a square is 1, b square is e power minus as, minus 2ab term is this one. Now observe here we have 1 minus e power as by 2. Here we have as. This term can be written as e power minus as by 2 whole square. That means we are going to get the formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square value is 1 plus a into 1 minus a. So observe here e power minus as is there. This e power minus as can be written as e power minus as by 2 whole square. So here this is a, this is b. A plus b a minus b. After writing this term as e power minus as by 2, take that as b. Okay. Now cancel square and this term. Then we are going to get this step. Multiply both numerator and denominator by e power as by 4. Then we are going to get this step. Observe, this value is equal to 2 into sin h as by 4. This value is equal to 2 into cos h of as by 4. 2 get cancelled. Sin h by cos h is tan h. So this is the Laplace transform of given function. Next we are going to find out Laplace transform of Heaviside function or unit step function. First of all, I am going to define what is meant by Heaviside function. Observe, the Heaviside function is denoted by h of t minus a or u of t minus a. The value of u of t minus a is 0 for t less than a. The value of u of t minus a is 1 for t greater than a, where a is a non-negative constant. That means it is a positive quantity. This function is known as Heaviside function or unit step function. In particular, if a equal to 0, then this equation becomes h of t or u of t equal to 0 for t less than 0, 1 for t greater than 0. Now I am going to explain some properties associated with the unit step function. First one, these properties we can use while solving the Laplace transform of step function. L of u of t minus a equal to e power minus as by s. In particular, if a equal to 0, then L of u of t equal to 1 by s. Y means e power 0 is 1. L of f of t minus a into u of t minus a equal to e power minus as into f of s, where L of f of t equal to f of s. Third property, if f of t equal to f1 of t less than or equal to a, f2 of t, if t greater than a, then f of t can be written as f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a. Similarly, if f of t equal to f1 of t less than or equal to a, f2 of t, if a less than t less than or equal to b, f3 of t if t is greater than b, then f of t can be written like this. By using these properties, we can find out the Laplace transform of unit step function. So first question, find the Laplace transform of following functions. We can solve one by one. First one, a Laplace transform of e power t minus 1, u of t minus 1. Here, let f of t minus 1 equal to e power t minus 1. F of t minus 1 is e power t minus 1 means f of t is e power t. Now I am going to find out the Laplace transform of this f of t, that is f of s equal to 1 by s minus 1. Next, this is the formula, Laplace transform of f of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1 equal to e power minus s into f of s. So here f of t minus 1 is e power t minus 1, u of t minus 1 as it is, e power minus s is as it is. We already find out f of s, that is 1 by s minus 1. That means the Laplace transform of given function is e power minus s by s minus 1. Here second question, let f of t minus 3 equal to t square, f of t equal to, how we are going to get f of t means replace t with t plus 3. So f of t plus 3 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel, then f of t. Here also we are going to change t by t plus 3. So t plus 3 whole square. expand this by using a plus b whole square formula, then t square plus 6t plus 9. Now I am going to find out Laplace transform of this function. That is f of s equal to, here 2 is a positive integer, that's why 2 factorial by s cube plus 6. 1 is also positive integer, 1 factorial by s square plus 9. Here 1 is there, that is Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Rearranging this factorial expression, we are going to get this and consider this as f of s. This is the formula. Here 3 is there, that's why we are going to get 3 here. If 4 is there, we are going to get 4s, like that. This is the formula. T square is f of t minus 3 is t square. U of t minus 3 as t is e power minus 3s as t is. We know that f of s value, substitute that value. Next, third question. Laplace transform of e power t minus 1 plus sine of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. Take this as f of t minus 1. From this, we are going to get f of t by replacing t with t plus 1. So, in the place of t, substitute t plus 1. Then we are going to get e power t plus sin t. Now I am going to find out the Laplace transform of this function. E power t Laplace transform of e power t is 1 by s minus 1. Laplace transform of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1. Why means here a is 1. That means a by s square plus a square. So I know f of s value. Here a is 1. That's why here I am going to get 1 into s is s. So the Laplace transform of given function is e power minus s into the value which already find out, that is f of s. So this is the final answer for the Laplace transform of this function. So Laplace transform of 3t square plus 4t plus 5 into u of t minus 3. Here also let f of t minus 3 equal to 3t square plus 4t plus 5. Replace t with t plus 3. Then we are going to get f of t value. After simplification, the value of f of t is 3t square plus 22t plus 44. Now 3 into 2 factorial by s cube plus 22 into 1 factorial by s square plus 44 into 1 by s. This is the Laplace transform of this function. Again, simplification, we are going to get this step. This is our f of s. So, again, Laplace transform of f of t minus 3 into u of t minus 3 equal to e power minus 3s into f of s. So, substitute the value of f of s here. This is the final value of given Laplace transform. Next question. L of 1 minus e power 2t into u of t plus 1. Take this as f of t plus 1. That is 1 minus e power 2t. F of t plus 1 equal to f of t plus 1 equal to 1 minus e power 2t. Replace t with t minus 1. Then we are going to get f of t equal to 1 minus e power 2 into t minus 1. So, multiply e power 2t e power minus 2. Next, I am going to find out the Laplace transform of this one. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. E power minus 2 is constant. Keep aside. E power 2t Laplace transform is 1 by s minus 2. Therefore, Laplace transform of f of t plus 1, u of t plus 1 equal to e power s into f of s. Why here only s means here a value is 1. So, the Laplace transform of given function is e power s into f of s. Next question. L of t cubed plus t square plus t plus 1 into u of t plus 1. Take this function as f of t plus 1. From this, we are going to get f of t by replacing t with t minus 1. So, f of t equal to t minus 1 whole cube plus t minus 1 whole square plus t minus 1 plus 1. By using the known formulas, expand, then simplify, then we are going to get the value of f of t as t cubed minus 2t square plus 2t. Now I am going to find out the Laplace transform of this f of t and take that as f of s. F of s equal to 3 factorial by s power 4, this minus 2 as it is, 2 factorial by s cube, this plus 2 as it is, 1 by 1 means 1 factorial by s square. Substitute the values of 3 factorial, 2 factorial and simplify. Then we are going to get the value of f of s as like this. Next, L of f of t plus 1 into u of t plus 1 equal to e power s into f of s. Why means here a value is 1. So, this step, replace f of s with this term. Then we are going to get the final answer for given Laplace transform of given function. Next question, observe, before the function is only f of t is like this only. In this question, f of t is going to splitting. So, for this, first of all, we want to do some process. After that only, we are going to find out Laplace transform. So, once observe the question, express the following functions in terms of the unit step function and hence find their Laplace transforms. So, here I am taking 2 questions. First of all, I am going to find out Laplace transform of this f of t. Here, f of t equal to 2t, 0 less than t, less than pi, 1 t is greater than pi. We know the formula for f of t equal to f1 of t plus f2 of t minus f1 of t into u of t minus a. This is f1 of t, this is f2 of t. Substitute in the place of f1 of t as 2t, f2 of t as 1. Then I am going to get this step. Here the value of a is pi only. So observe, if 0 less than t less than or equal to pi, we have u of t minus pi equal to 0. So f of t value equal to only 2t. Why means 0 into anything is 0 only. If t greater than pi, we have u of t minus pi equal to 1. So, substitute here, what happened? 2t plus 1 minus 2t. Plus 2t minus 2t get cancelled. Then I am going to get 1. These two are from the definitions of unit step functions. Now, we know that the values of f of t in the given ranges. So, Laplace transform of f of t equal to 2 into L of t plus Laplace transform of this one. Now, I am going to find out this value separately. Capital F of t minus pi equal to 1 minus 2t. From this, we are going to get f of t by replacing t with t plus pi. So, then I am going to get 1 minus 2 into t plus pi. Multiply, then we are going to get 1 minus 2 pi minus 2t. So, this is our capital F of t. Now, I am going to find out Laplace transform of this f of t equal to 1 minus 2 pi is constant. Therefore, I am going to write this aside. Then we are going to get 1. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. Minus 2 as it is. Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square. So, rewrite this term, then I am going to get this step. So, observe, we know that L of f of t minus pi into u of t minus pi equal to e power minus pi s into f of s. Here, a value is pi. That's why I am substituting pi here. Originally, the formula is e power minus of as. Observe in the previous problem, here we have plus 1 is there. This plus 1 means minus of minus 1 into s. That means a value is minus 1. So, e power minus pi s as it is. Substitute this value here. So, finally, the Laplace transform of given function f of t is 2 times of 1 by s square. Y means L of t is 1 by s square plus this value. Second question, f of t equal to 1, 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1, 1 less than t less than or equal to 2, t square, t greater than 2. So, now I am using this formula. This is f1 of t, this is f2 of t, this is f3 of t. Substitute these values and also a equal to 1, b equal to 2. Then I am going to get this step. Apply Laplace transform. Then Laplace transform f of t equal to L of 1 plus L of this plus L of this. First I am going to find out this one. Afterwards this one. Again come back and substitute here. L of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. Let f of t minus 1 is equal to t minus 1. From this we are going to get f of t by replacing t with t plus 1. So t plus 1 means t plus 1 minus 1 means plus 1 minus 1 cancel. We are going to get t. From this the Laplace transform of capital F of t is f of s. The Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square. Observe, Laplace transform f of t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. Formula e power minus as. Here a is 1. So that's why as minus as becomes minus s only. So e power minus s 1 by s square. So the value of first one is e power minus s by s square. Next I am going to find out this Laplace transform. So g of t minus 2 equal to t square minus t. From this I am going to get g of t as by replacing t with t plus 2. The operation what we did in LHS that must be complete in RHS also. That means replace t with t plus 2 here also. Here also t plus 2 is there. Observe. Here we want to write down t plus 2. After simplification, we are going to get t square minus 3t plus 4. Now I am going to find out the Laplace transform of t square minus 3t plus 4. So the Laplace transform of this function is 2 by s cube minus 3 by s square plus 4 by s. If you have any doubts, go to study material and verify there. L of g of t minus 2 into u of t minus 2 equal to e power minus 2s. Why 2 means here a equal to 2. So substitute g of s value. Then we are going to get the Laplace transform of second one. The final answer is Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s plus this answer is e power minus s by s square plus e power minus 2s into 2 by s cubed minus 3 by s square plus 4 by s. This is the final answer. Substitute all the values what we find out here. Then we are going to get the Laplace transform of given function. So these are the exercise problems. Do by yourself. These are also exercise problems. These are the references. Go through reference books and find out new concepts and learn Laplace transforms. Thank you one and all.